My name is Luca, and I'm 6 years old.
My name is Gaia, and I'm in first grade, and I'm 6 years old, and I'm Luca's sister.
That's our dad.
Hi, my name's Steve, and this is our restaurant, Rossoblu. What does Daddy do here?
Cook.
What does Mommy do here?
Managize.
Managizes?
Yeah.
We are making pasta.
Pasta.
But don't tell our mom this. We're making it for her.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
So now we're down here in the basement to make pasta with Francesco.
Exactly.
Our pasta Jesus, as we call him. Quick question, how many eggs do you think are in there?
3.
How much flour?
3 kilos.
3 kilos. Somebody's giving you the secrets, I think.
So finally today, you can make the dough with me. Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. All right, let's mix.
Don't knock down the wall.
Now it's time to use all the flour.
Down and get your hands in there. Don't get it all over your clothes, buddy. So who are we making this for today, guys?
Mama.
Mama, yeah, because Mama worked so hard for our family and for our restaurant. Hey guys, do you recognize anyone in this picture?
No.
That's Nona, right? When she was young, before she was even a mommy.
Nona is awesome because she lets me play on the iPad all the time.
So we're rolling this dough now. It was in the bag for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. All right, this one is almost ready for tortelloni.
It looks like a sheep.
Fresh pasta, yeah. All right, the pasta is ready. Stronger.
There.
From here, from the beginning.
Food and family are just the biggest part of life. I just want to pass that on to the kids to show that food should come from the heart, and it should be something that's soulful and expressive. So this is our filling today, guys. It's some ricotta cheese mixed with Swiss chard, Parmesan cheese, a little egg yolk to help bind it together. So I'm gonna start, and then you guys can do it. We're gonna take a little spoonful, and I'm just gonna go.
Wait, Daddy, is this good?
Let me see. Yeah, that's good.
All right, now we're doing the tortelloni, right? The shape.
Yeah.
I put this part here, the point on the other side, like this. This part here with your tongue, you do this. On the other side.
Oh, no.
Is it kind of like
This one is a
tying a
tortelloni.
shoe?
Kind of like tying a shoe, maybe.
I don't know how to do that yet. Yeah. It's shaped like a heart.
Okay guys, we're gonna let Francesco finish all these tortelloni, and we're gonna go upstairs and cook some for Mommy, because I think she's really gonna love it. What do you think?
Yeah.
So now we're in the kitchen, we're gonna cook the tortelloni. It's actually super easy. Got some rapidly boiling water. Just gonna season it with a little kosher salt. We have our beautiful tortelloni here. Now this is fresh pasta, so it's gonna cook pretty fast, probably 2 to 3 minutes max. I'm just gonna put it in the water, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna assemble the rest of the dish. Tomato sauce here, some onions cooked down with a little bit of butter. It's actually a little more thick than I want it to be, so I'm just gonna add some of this pasta water to it. So the pasta cooks in about 2 to 3 minutes. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna finish cooking it in the sauce. So the sauce cooks into the pasta. I'm just gonna add some freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Just like everything we do here at Rossoblu, this should be fairly rustic, nothing too complicated. Does it look awesome, guys?
Yeah.
Think Mommy's gonna like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so Luca's got a microplane here and a nice chunk of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Careful with your fingers. You don't want to grate your fingers. You just want to grate the cheese. All right, guys, now let's bring it to Mommy. Okay, carefully.
Hi, Mama. We made this delicious pasta for
Wow, this is great.
Just like Daddy always says, we made it with love for you.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Thanks, the guys. And thanks to FabFitFun for coming by Rossoblu. We'll see you next time.